Welcome to today's video. We're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max in gold. This one in particular is 1TB in size. It's actually sold out in the UK. The earliest you can get one is in around November time. I was lucky enough to get this one. It's actually packed a little bit differently, so there's no cellophane coating on it. You have these pull tabs to open the box. Inside the box, let's take a quick look. So first thing you see is the actual iPhone itself. This is the gold color. It does look very nice. You have the USB-C to lightning cable here. There's no mains charger with it. They've kept the box small just like they did last year. Here is the SIM opening tool, manual, and we have one Apple sticker. Okay, and let's look at the phone itself. So this is the gold color. It's actually a very light cream on the back, but the bezels are with this gold appearance. Very sleek looking. And you can just see the size of the three cameras, much bigger than the last year model. It's very clear to see how big those camera lenses are. Here's a close-up. But yeah, that's all for today's video. So this is a quick unboxing. I'll do some more videos showing the camera quality and a comparison to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me know what you guys think of this colorway in particular, and thank you for watching.